Hello all blind friends, back again with me Ari Hendarno. Today I will talk about the net of solid figure. What is it like? Let's start.
Pada bangun ruang 3 dimensi. Seperti apakah itu? Yuk, kita mulai.
Here, I already prepared a piece of thick paper or cardboard, a ruler, a tracing wheel, a marker, a pair of scissors. Okay,
Ada spidol, ada gunting.
we will teach the concept of the net of solid figure to the blind student. The one that I use as an example is a cube.
Contohkan adalah kubus. Bagaimana bangun kubus? Kita buka dan kita lihat dan kita raba.
How to open up the cube faces along its edges. Observe it and fill the net so that when we teach this to the blind student, he can understand the concept of the cube net. Firstly, let's make a cube with this thick paper.
Saya membuat dengan ukuran 7 cm panjang rusuknya. Jadi kita bisa buat 7 cm pertama.
I make the edge 7 centimeters in length. I make the first 7 centimeters. Here, I make some marks to be creased.
Di sini kita tandai untuk nanti lekukan-lekukannya.
After making the net, I made it like this. We can cut it using a pair of scissors. But before that, it is better for us to use this tool or tracing wheel to make the raised dot line pattern along the net we have made. Okay.
Membuat pola timbul pada sisi-sisi jaring yang sudah kita buat. Oke, dengan cara kita pakai penggaris.
Using a ruler and tracing wheel, apply this process to all edges. Check all edges. They should be embossed already.
Cek semua sisi harus sudah kita lubangi. Oke. Setelah itu kita bisa potong sisi-sisi luarnya menggunakan gunting.
After that, we can cut along the outer lines using the scissors. After the net is ready, let's shape it into a cube by creasing each line towards the inside part, like this.
Sebuah kubus dengan cara melipat setiap sisi pada bagian dalamnya. Seperti ini. Yang kita lipat itu ke arah, sekali lagi ke arah dalam.
Crease the paper once again towards the inside part, the part without the raised dot lines. You know, after we emboss this net using the tracing wheel, we get the raised dotted lines behind, like this.
Seperti ini. Jadi kita lipat ke arah yang tidak timbul.
So, let's crease towards the side of paper without the raised dot lines. After we finish creasing all edges, shape the net into a cube. Yeps, like this, as a cube. So, we shape it into a cube to teach the blind student about the concept of the cube net.
Seperti kubus. Untuk mengajarkan kepada siswa tunanetra bagaimana konsep jaring-jaring kubus ini.
Firstly, we can ask him to recognize the solid figure we have made. The blind student can feel it and recognize the shape, because in previous class, I've learned it already.
Jadi, siswa tunanetra bisa meraba bentuknya dan mereka mengenali karena
oh, this is a cube shape. It is right. This is a cube shape. After he recognizes the cube, we can ask him to open up the figure. After that, put it inside down.
kenali bentuk kubusnya, lalu kita minta mereka membuka bentuk tadi. Setelah dibuka, jangan lupa dibalik.
Why inside down? Because we will ask him to fill the raised dotted line we made before.
Yang sudah kita buat sebelumnya. Jadi kita juga akan meminta siswa tunanetra.
So we will ask him to touch the net and identify what shape he can recognize on the opened cube.
Dari kubus yang dibuka.
Let's start from the bottom left. Go up along the edge. Fill it with your left finger. And with your right finger, fill the edge from the bottom left to the right. Follow the edges until your right and left fingers meet. He will understand. Oh, this kind of shape is a square. And we can ask him, how many squares can you find? He will count how many squares he can find.
Oh, bentuk ini adalah persegi. Dan kita akan minta kira-kira ada berapa persegi yang mereka bisa temukan. Mereka akan meraba berapa banyak kira-kira persegi yang mereka bisa temukan.
After he fills all parts, he will find that the open cube is in the form of a net. He will find that there are 6 squares that form the net. It means those 6 squares can be shaped into a cube if they are creased along the raised dotted lines of the cube net.
Tersebut dapat dibentuk menjadi sebuah kubus jika disesuaikan dengan bentuk jaring-jaring kubus.
We can also try it with other solid figures, such as cuboid, pyramid, prism, or cylinder.
Ataupun tabung. Jadi seperti itu.
Thank you.
Mudah bukan? Terima kasih.